mom who's been holding everything together on a shoestring budget, always stretching every cent, saying no more times than she wants to admit. No to ice cream, no to last-minute pizza nights, no to rest, no to joy, no to herself. And when it's school holidays and you scroll through Facebook, you actually get a pain in your heart because you are seeing the families go on holidays, spending the times that you are wishing to spend just with your families. But you can't do that because you can't even afford the extras, not the time off, not the money. You can't afford to go on holiday. I see you because guess what? I used to be you not so long ago. I was the mom that was working 2 jobs for 2 foreign companies just to stay broke and miss out on time with my children, barely making ends meet. I missed the school plays, the bedtime stories, the slow mornings, the connection with my children. I completely lost my relationship with my son. And for what? To still stay stuck in a cycle that was never going to give me a way out, a cycle that I was always going to be broke in? Until I made a decision, a real one. I said enough, 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 enough. But I said yes to the Legacy Builder program, and it didn't just give me a strategy. It gave me my life back. Transformation wasn't just financial, though, yes, I have earned over 4 million rand online in just 15 months. I paid cash for 2 cars. I sent my son on a 6 months overseas holiday. I stopped living from crisis to crisis and I started building a real legacy for my children. But the real win, I became the mother I've always wanted to be. The present mom, the laughing mom, the showing up at sports day and cheering from the sideline mom, the mom that was happy that I tucked my children in at night without having to worry how we'd be eating the next week. I reclaimed my life. I got my peace back and I finally got time for me. I got me back. And now I turn around and I help other moms do the same. What makes me different is how I personally invest in every single person I help. I'm not just reselling a program. I offer one-on-one mentorship, private training, real tech support at my expense, and a community filled with exclusive step-by-step guides on what is working right now on social media, especially on TikTok, because TikTok is my absolute passion. People choose to work with me because I genuinely care. I'm hands-on. I help whether you're a 75-year-old grandma or a young mommy starting from scratch. I meet you where you are at. I know the pain, praying for a solution at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here to be the person I once needed when I was in that dark place. If you are ready to go from surviving to thriving, from making it to like really building something that lasts, I am ready to walk beside you step by step with real support, real strategy, real change, no fluff. Let's do this together, my friend.